on board Mr. Patel as well, the CMD and CEO at PSP Projects. Mr. Patel, good morning. Thank you so much for speaking with us. First up, just wanted to understand that your Surat Diamond Bourse project has been completed, and that's something that the market is pegging as a re-rating trigger, because now it allows you to bid for larger projects as well. Could you explain to us what would be the opportunity size and what would be the size of orders that you can probably look at bidding now?
Thank you and good morning. Actually, after completion of Surat Diamond Bourse, our pre-qualifying criteria has gone high. Previously, we were able to bid for projects up to 500, 600 crore. Now we are in the range of about more than 2,000 crore. So that's the biggest achievement which we have, which we personally feel. So the large projects which are going to come in institutes like IITs or IIMs or maybe at Central Vista, those types of large projects will be able to bid after completion of the Surat Diamond Bourse.
You've told us what the order inflow is going to be, but can you share with us as well, as we start the new calendar year, the kind of conversations that you're already having, any big upside to this in 2023?
Pardon me, you are asking about the order book inflow?
Yes. Can we see any big upside in the new year?
Yeah. Because see, actually, every year, if you see the projection of our order, inflow of order is in the range of whatever revenue we make to 25% more to our revenue, more than our revenue. So this year, if we are able to reach to about 2,200 crore, 2,100 to 2,200 crore, we have given a projection of 2,500 crore, out of which we have already reached 1940. And one of our lowest order of which where we are L1, which is 375. So probably if that order is that lowest is converted into order, probably we have already reached to that level of our inflow of order, and still we are having some bids in pipeline. So probably this year we will cross the uh, projections which we have given as order inflow.
Okay, so before you came on the channel for this interview, we had of course been doing our research. We spoke to analysts and all of that. And one of the concerns, the niggling concerns, is around succession planning. Can you talk to us about it? Is it the next generation which is going to be trained and groomed and they're going to take over? Or is it going to become more professional? What's the thought process?
See, when it comes to PSP, I always say that it is going to be a process-oriented company rather than a people-oriented company. And we have been have very strong experience of 35 years in this business, and there's almost 16 years of experience in my own company. So now we have already have strengthened our processes, and in terms of people also, we are trying to hire more and more good people to work on this. But the strong process is to work on, which will be the deciding factor for the companies to continuously perform as the way it has been performing. Yes, but the no, no, the thing which is about the succession plan, my both the children, my son and my daughter, both are in the business. The daughter already has an experience of working at site for 6.5 years. Now she is sitting in the office since last 1.5 years, and she is looking after some of the contractual purchase. My son has joined the company since last 3.5 years, and he has been to the site for 2 years, and now he is looking after the precast plant and the audit processes of the company, and some of the portion he is into execution also. So both the children are also there in the business. At the same time, I would always prefer that the company should be run through processes rather than purely people. And it is there has to be a bird eye view from the promoters also.
That's the view on the succession plan. Now, Mr. Patel, you were the sole bidder for the Surat Municipal Corporation building project. It had a size of about 1,000 crore rupees, and it was cancelled because only one contractor bid for that. Has the rebidding begun, and what's the update on this project?
Yeah, again that bid has been submitted, and again that has came a single bid. Now it is up to Surat Municipal Corporation, as this is a second time bid. Either they are going to accept this, or again they are going to reinvite. The message is still not clear at our end. But yes, the second time the bids has been closed, and we are the only single bidder yet as on today.
Okay, so still the single bidder, at least as far as that municipal order is concerned. But Mr. Patel, the other thing that everybody has been talking about since your IPO itself has been the fact that you're fairly concentrated in Gujarat. Of course, it's come down from the 70-80% level to 50% now. But going forward, what would be the geographical mix you believe?
See, geography where we have always tried to expand all over India, but we always try to focus on one project at one state at one time. And once we have a better example or better experience in any of the state, so that's how we have worked in Karnataka for 2 projects. We have been working in UP for 7 to 8 projects, and we have also worked at some projects in Delhi, and we have also worked for some of the projects in Rajasthan. So it is not only about the expansion. As far as we are getting good orders from Gujarat, we are a Gujarat-based company. We will try to maintain our order book within the Gujarat, but at the same time, good opportunities, large opportunities where the competition is niche, we are open to expand to the states where we have a good experience.
Enough, that sounds prudent that as long as you have opportunities, enough opportunities in Gujarat, you'll continue to play that field where you're the strongest. And just before we let you go, Mr. Patel, I think at the start of the year, you had talked about a revenue profile of 2200 odd crores with margins of around 12 to 12.5%. Given the execution has been strong till now, would you probably, upgrade your guidance, 2500 crores maybe for the year?
No, this year we have a very bad season of first half year, wherein the monsoon and the marriage season in the first quarter has impacted a little bit. So still we have been giving a projection of 2,200 crore, and we will try to remain in that range only.
Okay. So that's PSP projects for you on the road ahead, and also addressing the big concern out there as far as succession planning goes. Sir, thank you for being so candid and joining us live today on the channel.
Thank you. Thank you.